front I've got a Maxxis Bomber Z2. The other one broke. Then in the rear I've got a RockShox Deluxe R 120mm. Oh, in the front I got 140mm. I got Diety wave points for my grips. I'm not sure what my pedals are. I got them the other day, but don't have a brand on them. Got a Transx handlebar, a Transx stem, Transx 130mm stealth dropper post with a Norco saddle, XC saddle on top. I got SRAM level T 2-pot brakes front and rear with a Avid G2 180mm rotor in the front and 160mm in the rear. I got SRAM level T levers, a SRAM NX shifter 11 speed with a SRAM NX cassette and derailleur in the rear, and NX Eagle cranks 170mm or 175mm. I got Albi tape, Kmart bottle cage, firm riding wear, deadly mud guard, and yeah, that's my bike.
If he makes this, will you go on top of me?
Donated shit.